that? That looks kind of cute. Do you like the color?
It's good.
Ooh.
Oh,
What do we
sticker.
have? Stickers? What is this? This looks like plow.
Yeah, fluffy clothes. Oh, what's this?
What's this?
Oh, my birthday.
Oh, that's those blowy things.
Eyes.
Okay, yeah, that's the eyes. Looks like we're going to make sea turtle.
Yeah.
And this one looks like what is it?
Like,
Okay, and what do we have here?
oh,
Grain beetle,
is
fruit
this?
fly, and super worm.
Wait, is this grain beetle? What is this?
Don't know. That looks like a what is it? That looks like it's not a frog, but looks like a frog. Is it like a lizard type of thing? Don't know.
This is not tall. This
Dunno.
is just.
Oh, act like a reptile. Oh, crawl, hide. Oh yeah, because they camouflage. Chomp, chomp like a crocodile. Slither like a snake. Discover reptile.
Wait, what's the snake want to play with? Oh, the money snake.
Oh, you're pretty fast.
Come on.
There you go. You found it. Baby. Oh, this is the baby reptile. Found their mummy. Toppling turtle. Oh, so we can. I see. So this little. We are going to make this toppling turtles.
Oh, nice.
So we're going to make this. That's cool.
Oh, nice. That 1, 2, 3.
Shall we do it now?
Yeah, nice. That.
Stuff it in. Yes, good.
That's
Okay.
could be bigger.
Yep. Okay. Get some more. Let me keep that open. Roll it into a ball, then it's not fluffy anymore.
Too big.
Yeah, that's a bit too big.
Wait, it sometimes shape like how we can now.
So now we are going to put the eyes in. Can you help me, Xandyr? Down here, facing down. No, I do the first one and then you do the second one, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Going down.
Come closer here. All right, put it here. Well done. Look at that. Ooh.
Oh! You need that for the nose.
Yeah, and then you can continue there.
Oh, you have to paint the snake.
Yeah. Do you want to keep on going?
You have to paint the snake, but paint the snake with my.
Yeah, take it off. That's one. Good job. Don't touch this part, okay? Now, let's take off the other side. Can you help take off the other side?
Okay.
Okay. Slowly. Just the white part. Yeah, go. Just the white part. Good job. Good job. Good job. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Nice. And I need your help now. Secure the turtle. Come on, press it down. Press this part down. Yes. Because we just take off the sticky part, right? So now we can, press it down so that it stick all nicely secure. Yeah.
Wait, flip it over. Like that?
Follow the shape. Follow the line of the shape. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, that's good enough. Yeah. Okay. Oh, get another one out.
Oh,
Yeah,
stickers.
take another one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's put it the
These
flipper.
are super sticky. That's
Soup.
what.
Try to blow.
Okay, this was a challenge. Okay,
Yeah. Oh,
Mommy?
yeah. Challenge. You do it. Next. Oh, next. Again. Closer. Yep. Next one.
Does that count?
No, it doesn't. How many things have you made today?
Look.
How many things have you made today, Sandra? 3. Which 3? Can you tell me?
A turtle,
Mm-hmm.
the centipede, and then the spider snake.
The snake. Which one do you like the most?
The snake.
You like the snake the most?
Yes.
Why?
Because the snake is all fluffy.
All fluffy, so you can cuddle, isn't it? Okay, say bye-bye first.
Bye bye.